aircraft on each wing to drop back in unison to form the shape of eagle, and in from the right hand side, this is the eagle roll. So as the jets go upside down, boys and girls, the pilots can see you waving. Give them a big wave. When the team form, they use the fall and retract flanker. They're coming in the left-hand side with some white smoke in flanker. So the team are about to form a very wide shape. This one is known as Phoenix. You'll see that to enable the formation to stay as one while they're manoeuvring, the outside pilots have to anticipate their control inputs. So to do so, they use the cadence in Red 1's voice, as you will hear shortly as they reverse to our right-hand side. One called reversing right now, and on the nut of now is when he puts his control input in. On the leader's right wing is Red 2. He's one of our first-year pilots. He's Flight Lieutenant Stu Campbell. He's a former Tucano instructor and Tucano display pilot. You saw the Tucano display just an hour or so ago. Operationally, Stu flew the Tornado GR4. Out to the right now, you see the team have formed our trademark shape, and now all 9 aircraft will be smoking in the diamond roll. So from 400 miles an hour, they put up at 4 times the force of gravity. This one is now pulled them into feathered arrows. They're climbing to a height of 6,000 feet. The aircraft's going down to 150 miles an hour, and the G-max on to around 1 G. You can see that nice feathered arrow shape now. As they start coming down the other side of the loop, the speed will build up to around 400 miles an hour again. The G starts increasing to around 4 G as they twist red. Well, that's the end of the first half, end of the Reds 1 to 5, 8 to 9, pull up in Phoenix. Keep your eyes underneath at the synchro pair. This is the palm split. And you've been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team.